Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening OneDrive in the app or web. Sign in and confirm you have the correct account and enough storage. This prevents permission conflicts. Once done, find the exact file or folder and verify its name so recipients know its purpose. Now choose the initial sharing level, view, edit, or specific people, because that determines control and risk. Make sure to think about who needs access and why, then right-click or tap the Share button to begin the process. Once you click Share, you decide the link type and restrictions. This is the core control point. Choose anyone for broad access, people in your organization to limit to coworkers, or specific people for tight control. Then toggle editing permissions, block downloads if needed, and add an expiration or password to reduce long-term exposure. After adjusting options, preview the link to confirm settings. You can either enter recipient emails directly with a short message, or copy the link to paste into another app. Finish by sending the link and confirming recipients can access the file, ask them to open it, and tell you what they see. Once shared, use the File Details or Manage Access panel to monitor who has permission and revoke or change rights immediately if something looks wrong. If someone reports an error, first verify their account and whether you used a restrictive link type. Then check tenant or sharing settings and clear their cached link. If needed, regenerate a fresh link with corrected options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.